Alright, today we're going to talk about basic connections of a Harley-Davidson fuel gauge for FXR center fill tank and connections to the fuel sender to make sure that everything's functioning. The contact points are pretty basic, but what we have is we have the connection to the fuel sender, which is marked S on the back of the gauge, goes to this point on the sender. Marked I on the back of the gauge is ignition or 12 volt, which goes to the battery here that we have. And then marked G is ground, which will go to the ground tab on the top of the fuel plate on the sender and to the battery. Alright, all the connections have been made. We'll go over it again. So S, the wire goes to the center point on the plate. I is ignition. 12 volt goes to the positive of the battery, and then G is a ground, which is going to go ground, negative battery, and tab on the sender. Alright, everything's hooked up, so we're going to test the fuel sender and the gauge. So swing to full, the needle on the gauge swings to full, swing back down to empty, the needle swings to empty, back up again, down to half, and then empty.